We made a profit of $1,920. This indicates a change of trend to an uptrend. So, this is a great opportunity for us to open a higher option. Well done! Profit! We did it. Let's be honest. How many times have you thought that big money only comes to the big players? There are often legends around trading that you need huge startup capitals to get a successful start. It's time to dispel this myth and prove that you don't need to have a huge amount of money initially for financial success in the market. Today, we are going to start with just $1. Hi, I'm Evelyn, and I've been making money on binary options for over 7 years. My win rate is 86.6% and trading brings me a great income. I'm grateful for this opportunity and I want to share it with you. In my videos, I show my subscribers how to make tens of thousands of dollars on binary options. Today, I will prove to you that starting with a small amount of a few dollars, you can increase it to the amount of several thousand dollars. And just imagine what results you can achieve earning such money every day. And you can start with trading on my signals. Yes, it is enough to just repeat my actions. You can find my signals in my free Telegram channel. See the link in the description. And now let's see what an experienced trader can do with $1. Let's open our pocket option platform and get ready for trading. Today I will teach you how to analyze charts comprehensively, as well as show you how to work with indicators in the most efficient way in order to have maximum win rate. First, let's choose a few currency pairs with the highest profit percentage, on which we will trade. This will be the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc, the euro and the Japanese yen. It's great. That will be quite enough. Now let's add two indicators to help with our comprehensive analytics. MACD to check the strength and direction of the trend, as well as to identify reversal points. And alligator, which allows us to accurately determine the current trend as well as its change. This will allow us to understand in which direction we should open a trade and the most favorable point. Everything is ready. Now let's start trading. Let's start our trades with $1. On the euro and Japanese yen chart, we see a downtrend. But if we look at the MACD indicator, we see the green MACD line crossing the blue signal line from bottom to top. This indicates a change of trend to an uptrend. So, this is a great opportunity for us to open a higher option. Fantastic! It's really possible. Everything happened according to our plan, and we got our first profit. Now let's move on to the third currency pair. Let's put amount of $1.09. Now let's go to the charts. Here we can see how the price fell to the local support level and pushed off from it. We can open a higher option in this situation. Brilliant! Once again, our money is growing, and we are in full control of this growth. Let's not stop. Let's open the second currency pair. Let's put amount of $3. The situation is quite unambiguous here. Judging by the MACD indicator, the upward movement has ended and the downward movement has started as the blue signal line of the indicator crosses the green MACD line, from bottom to top. It is quite obvious to me that it is necessary to prepare for a lower option. I open the trade. Profitable. Great. My vast experience allows me to predict market behavior very accurately. And we are back on the plus side. The safest way to start earning is to repeat the successful actions of someone who is already earning. But where can you find such information? Just subscribe to my Telegram channel at the link below this video. I'm ready to share with you tips for successful trading on binary options there. I will personally guide you through every step of the process. With my step-by-step training, you will be able to instantly transfer my success to your account. Every trade will bring you the same results as it did for me. You don't even need to have experience. I'm ready to give you my own experience, which has been accumulated over the years, and it's time-tested. Binary options are a real market where everyone, including you, is able to achieve stable and significant earnings. You will understand the basic laws and be able to make your own money in just a couple of days. Do not miss this unique opportunity. Your successes start here and now. Let's move on to the first currency pair. We are going to trade on $6. The situation here is quite banal. Both indicators indicate a strong upward movement. That's why I will open a higher option. Excellent. This is another successful trade. So far, my predictions are coming true. Let's see if I can keep the winning session going. Now, let's see what we have on the chart of the third currency pair. Let's set amount of $11 so that we don't waste time later and proceed to the analysis. There was a local uptrend here, and now we see a small correction with a decline in the chart. After such a correction, the chart will definitely go up. As the trend is upward, both of our indicators also testify to this. So we will open a higher option. Well, exciting! Have you seen this trade? What a perfect entry point we have chosen. And we already have $21 on the balance. Slowly but surely, we're moving towards our goal. Let's continue and move on to the second currency pair again. We made a good entry. The chart reached the upper resistance level, pushed off from it and went down. The red signal line on the MACD indicator is above the green line, which confirms our words. We open the lower option. Great job! We have increased our money again. Let's continue and open the third currency pair. Let's set amount of $41 at once. We have a similar situation here. The downtrend movement has started. I think it is reasonable to take a lower option. We open the trade. That's great! Look at that! My trade made me $78. So, even if you start with a small amount, you can increase it several times in one short session. Believe me, if I could change my life, so can you. I would not be sitting here now if 7 years ago I had not said to myself, this is my life and I want to change it. Of course, my path to success has not been easy, and I realize how important it is to have the support and advice of an experienced trader. That's why I'm here to help you avoid mistakes and make your path much easier. I have described all my experience with all the details in my book, and you can learn more about it by contacting me in private messages in Telegram. Let's look at the second currency pair. Let's set the amount of $79. The situation here is quite interesting. We see a global uptrend followed by a small price correction, and the chart went up again. Let's turn to our indicator. The green line, alligator lips, lies above the blue line, alligator's jaw. Also, all the moving lines are pointing up, which means that we see a strong uptrend, which means we will open a higher option. Brilliant! Look how well our trade worked out. As I said before, we need to analyze the charts in order to make the right decision. Let's move on to the first currency pair. We can enter the trade for $151. Cool. Now, let's look at the charts. What are we seeing here? The chart has reached the local support level and will now test this level. If you pay attention to the MACD indicator, you can say that the pressure of sellers is very low. So, most likely the price will not break this level, but will push away from it and go up. So I will open a higher option. Yes, another successful trade is sent to our piggy bank. We already have $290 on our balance. Every trade is getting more and more interesting. Now let's open the second currency pair. Let's put the amount of $290. We see a powerful uptrend on the chart. Both indicators tell us about it. Therefore, we can safely open a higher option in this case. It's a win! To be honest, I was not really worried here. In fact, this was one of the safest trades. Actually, this trade was just a little bit risky. Let's see how things are with the third currency pair. Let's put the amount of $557 right away. Here we should immediately pay attention to the long spike at the red candlestick. This spike indicates a strong pressure from the sellers who are pushing the price down. Both of our indicators are also talking about it. It's decided. Let's open the lower option. Excellent! As I expected, the lower option made a nice profit of $1,069. This is great news because I will open all the next trades at $1,000. Now the stakes are really high and I just don't have a chance to make a mistake. Well, let's move on to the first currency pair. Here we see a similar situation, only in the other direction. And we can also see the change of the trend to an uptrend on our indicators. The green line of the MACD indicator starts to break out upwards. This is a signal for us to open a higher option. Awesome! It's working right before your eyes. We made a profit of $1,920. Let's not stop there. Let's move on. Let's go to the second currency pair. Looking at the alligator indicator, we see a classic situation. The green line, alligator lips, lies above the blue line, alligator's jaw. And all the moving lines are pointing upwards, which means that we see a strong uptrend. So we will open a higher option. Great job! We managed to increase the amount on our balance again. Let's not stop here. Let's see how things are going with the third currency pair. How fortunate we are! It's very simple. The chart tested the support level, but failed to break it, so it pushed back from it and started its upward movement. On the MACD indicator, the green MACD line crosses the blue signal line from bottom to top just at this moment. We have no choice but to open a higher option. Well done! That was really cool. It's a successful end to the session. Let's reopen the second currency pair. We see an uptrend with a small correction. The indicators are also telling us about a strong uptrend. Now is the perfect position for us to open a higher option. Yes, once again, we made a profit. We are one successful trade away from our goal. My God, I hope I can do it. Let's move on to the first currency pair. How lucky we entered! The chart has approached the resistance level for the second time. The MACD indicator shows that the pressure from the sellers at this level is too high to break it. So we are about to bounce from this level. And we should rather open a lower option. Well done! Profit! We did it! Our total earnings amounted to $5,669. It was really cool. In less than half an hour using complex chart analysis, we started with $1 and made it to $5,669. Who else will tell me that you need a lot of capital to make good money? Answer me a question. What is better, to earn the amount of money in half an hour or to work for that money for a whole month? I was able to completely change my life 7 years ago. Now I ask you to give me a chance to make your life better too. For this purpose, I have created my Telegram channel for you. Subscribe to it at the link below the video. In my Telegram channel, I not only hold trading sessions, which by the way each of you can participate in for free, but also explain step by step on how to trade on binary options, how to use the trading platform. If you are a beginner, I even show you what buttons to press on the platform. I also give you support to all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with very little knowledge at the start. Yes, for some people it may seem that trading strategies are difficult. However, in fact, everything is much easier. I will personally help you with it. Imagine that you just need to enter the trades following me and you can consistently get the same result as me. My win rate is 86.6%, and for the last 7 years I have already made over $1 million. I don't mind sharing my experience with people because I don't become poorer from it. But on the contrary, I return the karmic debt to the universe. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you to reach a new financial level of life. Here are feedbacks from my subscribers who have already felt the benefits of trading. In just a few weeks, some of them have achieved results that seemed unattainable. And I can say with absolute confidence, you can do it too. And so we have shattered another myth that many people believe that big money can only come to those who are already at the top. Now you see that this world is full of opportunities, and each of us can become this creator for our own success. Remember, my friends, the key to financial freedom is in your hands. I would love to share more secrets and strategies for successful trading with you, so be sure to stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, give me likes, and leave comments if there is anything you don't understand. I also recommend you to watch these videos. They can be very useful for you too. That's all for today. See you later. Bye.